Welcome to our comprehensive guide on 11 foods to avoid when trying to lose weight. In this video, we're going to explore why certain popular foods may be sabotaging your weight loss efforts and making it harder for you to shed unwanted pounds. And before we dive in, be sure to check the links in my description for some good stuff that can help you on your journey. Many people think that losing weight is simply a matter of cutting calories, but it's much more complex than that. It's about choosing nutrient-dense foods that keep you full, support your metabolism, and provide essential vitamins and minerals like protein and fiber. Today, I'll walk you through 11 types of foods that are best limited if you want to lose weight effectively. Let's begin with French fries and potato chips. French fries and potato chips are extremely popular snack foods, but they are very high in calories and fat. Studies have shown that regular consumption of these foods is linked to weight gain and obesity. In fact, some research indicates that potato chips may contribute to more weight gain per serving than any other food. On top of that, when potatoes are baked, roasted, or fried, they can contain acrylamides, which are chemicals associated with an increased risk of cancer. The bottom line is that while you don't have to eliminate French fries and chips entirely, it's best to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Next, let's discuss sugary drinks. Sugar-sweetened beverages, such as soda, sweetened juices, and energy drinks are loaded with added sugars and calories. Unlike solid food, liquid calories do not trigger the same sense of fullness, so you end up consuming extra calories without reducing your appetite for other foods. This can lead to weight gain over time. Reducing your intake of sugary drinks and replacing them with alternatives like flavored water, naturally sweetened kombucha, unsweetened tea, or even plain black coffee can make a significant difference in your overall calorie intake. Now, let's turn our attention to white bread. White bread is highly refined and often contains added sugars, yet it lacks the protein and fiber found in whole grain alternatives. Because it is high on the glycemic index, white bread causes rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to increased hunger and subsequent overeating. In one study, eating 2 slices of white bread each day was linked to a 40% greater risk of becoming overweight or developing obesity. Consider replacing white bread with whole grain or whole wheat bread, or even sprouted grain options like Ezekiel bread, which provide more fiber and help keep you full for longer. Moving on to candy bars. These sweet treats pack a significant amount of added sugars, unhealthy oils, and refined flours into a small, high-calorie package. Although candy bars are satisfying in the moment, they are not very filling, and you may end up consuming extra calories without getting any essential nutrients. If you find yourself craving something sweet, try opting for a smaller portion, such as a fun-sized candy bar or a few squares of dark chocolate, and pair it with nutritious snacks like fresh fruit or a handful of nuts. Let's talk about certain fruit juices. Although fruit juices might seem like a healthy choice, many commercial fruit juices have as much sugar and calories as soda, but without the beneficial fiber of whole fruits. The lack of fiber means that the natural sugars in juice are quickly absorbed into your bloodstream, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar and leaving you hungry sooner than if you had eaten whole fruit. A better approach is to choose whole fruits or limit your fruit juice intake to a small serving, around 4 ounces at a time, especially if the juice does not have added sugar. Next, we address pastries, cookies, and cakes. These baked goods are notorious for being high in calories, added sugars, and unhealthy fats, yet they rarely satisfy hunger. This lack of satiety often leads to overeating and can derail your weight loss efforts. Instead of indulging in these high-calorie treats, consider healthier alternatives such as dark chocolate, fresh fruit, trail mix with minimal additives, or even making your own desserts using unrefined ingredients like whole grain flour, nut butter, almond flour, and raw honey. Now, let's take a hard look at alcohol, especially beer. It's time to be clear. Alcohol is one of the most deceptive threats to your weight loss efforts and overall health. While some people tout the occasional glass of red wine as acceptable, the reality is far more concerning. Most alcoholic beverages, particularly beer, are packed with empty, calorie-dense content, offering virtually no nutritional benefit. But the problem doesn't stop at calories alone. Alcohol lowers your self-control, making it far easier to overeat, sabotage your progress, and give in to cravings you'd otherwise resist. Studies consistently show that heavy drinking leads to significant weight gain over time. And here's something even more critical. The World Health Organization has made it clear no amount of alcohol is considered safe. It is not just a matter of extra calories. Alcohol is linked to a host of other serious diseases, including cancer. Every sip comes with a risk that far outweighs any perceived benefit. If you're serious about losing weight and protecting your health, cutting back on alcohol or eliminating it altogether should be a priority. Next up is pizza. Pizza is one of the most popular fast foods, yet commercially made pizzas are often prepared with highly refined flour, processed meats, and calorie-packed toppings. A single slice of pizza can quickly lead to overeating, especially when paired with high-calorie sides. If you enjoy pizza, try making your own at home using a whole grain base and topping it with lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and a moderate amount of cheese. This way, you can control both the quality of the ingredients and the portion size. We now turn to high-calorie coffee drinks. Coffee, in its plain form, can boost your metabolism and even help increase fat burning due to the caffeine content. However, many popular coffee drinks are loaded with cream, sugar, and flavored syrups, which drastically increase the calorie content of each serving. These extra calories can easily negate any metabolic benefits you might gain from the caffeine. If you're looking to maintain your weight loss progress, it is best to stick with plain black coffee or limit any added extras by choosing a small amount of milk or unsweetened alternatives. Finally, let's discuss food high in added sugar. Consuming too much added sugar is linked to numerous chronic conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and liver disease. Foods that are high in added sugar tend to be very calorie-dense, while offering little in the way of essential nutrients, leaving you unsatisfied and prone to overeating. Examples include sugary breakfast cereals, granola bars, and low-fat or fat-free yogurts that have been loaded with extra sugar to improve their flavor. Always read nutrition labels carefully and choose options with low or no added sugar to support your weight loss goals. As we wrap up, remember that successful weight loss is not just about cutting calories. It's about choosing nutrient-dense, filling foods that work together to support your overall health. By limiting or avoiding foods like French fries, sugary drinks, white bread, candy bars, high-calorie fruit juices, pastries, certain types of alcohol, ice cream, pizza, high-calorie coffee drinks, and foods high in added sugar, you can pave the way for a healthier, leaner body. Before you go, don't forget to check the links in my description for some good stuff that can provide even more tips and resources to help you on your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition tips and health advice. I'd love to hear in the comments which changes you plan to make in your diet. Until next time, stay healthy, make smart choices, and keep moving toward your goals.